Alright, so we're simplifying complex rational expressions here, and the first part, I'm going to give two videos of each method. So this is for method 1, and then you can check out method 2 as well. You're welcome to use whichever one you want. The first method I'm going to show is what you're doing is you're actually simplifying this part and this part separately, okay, and then you're going to use it as a division problem. So let's first simplify this top part, and that's going to be 2 over x, and what I'm going to do, this is 1 over 1, I got to get common denominators, so I'm multiplying by x to the top and the bottom, and that becomes x over x. And I need to do the same thing over here. This is really 1 over 1, but I'm going to multiply by x plus 1 to both numerator and denominator, and that becomes x plus 1 over x plus 1 plus 1 over x plus 1. And then I can combine them. So this becomes 2 plus x over x divided by x plus 1 over x plus 1. So now that it's a division problem, I'm going to, instead of dividing by that denominator, I'm going to multiply by its reciprocal. So I have x plus 1 over, and then the denominator, these two combine, and that's going to become x plus 2. Now notice this 2 plus x is also going to be x plus 2. I'm going to rearrange that. So now, because they're multiplying, I can cancel these two out, and I'm left with x plus 1 over x. And my restrictions are x cannot equal 0, negative 2, or negative 1. The negative 1 comes from here in the denominator, and negative 2 comes from here, 0 comes from here. Okay, so here's one for you to try on your own. So go ahead and pause it. I'll go through the correct steps, and you can check it in a little bit. But pause it, try it on your own, and then you can check your answers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine these two first, and in order to do so, I typically factor the denominators, which x squared minus 9 factors into x plus 3x minus 3. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply that to the denominator here, and here, but in the numerator I'm going to write it as x squared minus 9. And when I factor this denominator, it's going to be 2 times x plus 3. So I have to multiply this one by 2 times x plus 3. So I get 1 plus 3x squared minus 27 over x plus 3 x minus 3, and that's being divided by 2x plus 6 minus x over 2
times x plus 3. So now I can make it a division problem, and that's going to be in combine my like terms, so I have 3x squared minus 26 over x plus 3x minus 3. And that's going to be multiplied by 2 times x plus 3 over, and the 2x and x combined to be 1x, x plus 6. So from here, my x plus 3's can cancel out. So I'm not sure where it stopped recording, but here's the answer with the restrictions, -6 plus or minus 3.